I'm Jason, one of the sales managers here at Lichtsinn RV.
Hi Jason, how long have you worked here?
I have been here since June of 2007, so just a little over 17 years.
Awesome. What is your favorite thing about working here at Lichtsinn RV?
I would say, all in all, the people, and that's both who we have on our team, from the sales side, from our sales consultants, the management team, and then branching with our service parts team as well. And then it's all made possible due to our guests and seeing and talking to the guests from all over the country and what brought them here, their travels, etc. So it's just a culmination of all those good things that you experience on a day-to-day basis.
Awesome. If you went on a week-long RV trip, where would you go?
Probably two different directions. Probably a little bit down through like the Tennessee, Kentucky area, down to Florida, that path, and then also going out west, hitting the Colorado, Arizona area. Really like that spot. So kind of two different branches.
What do you like doing in your free time when you're not at work?
Certainly spending time with our family, my wife, daughter, and son, going golfing, hanging out at the lakes, just doing any type of traveling that we can to not be at home and get out and about and enjoy our time together. So
Great. Well, thank you.
thank you.